Good morning and welcome to the 10-minute daily meditation. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow we are going to be focusing on accepting miracles, moving out any of the blocks that are in our way. And most of the time, those blocks from miracles occur in the mental field. So we have the physical field, the spiritual field, and the mental field, the mind field. It is our conversations we hold in our life, our opinions, our just knowing this is the way things are, that are what is blocking the miracles. So we are going to pull our spirit forward, pull our mental spirit forward, and ask that that mental spirit be released of any blocks and that we surrender our will to this happening. Otherwise, it isn't going to happen. All right, we always start here with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We go into a simple guided meditation. We sit for a few moments in silence. We break the silence with a little chime, and we come out with the 23rd Psalm, which will close us back up and knit us up nice and tight. So we're going to expand really huge and then knit ourselves right back together again. Let us begin. Let's take a deep breath. Close your eyes and just relax. Take another deep breath and invite yourself to relax and let go. Please say the prayers with me if you know them, or repeat them after me. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us take another deep breath, and as we exhale, scan our bodies for any tension. If you notice any tension, tighten that muscle or tighten that spot for just a moment. Let it go and release and let go. So if your shoulders are tight, just punch them up, hold and let go. Any place on your legs, you want to feel no tension in your body. We're going to once again bring our attention to the endless stream that is always connected to us, always sourcing us, and is part of the divine that is part of us. We bring our attention to the third eye, on our forehead between our eyebrows, and the top of our head, the crown. Notice there might be some movement there, or you feel something. That is the subtle energy of this divine light and love and miracles coming to us. As we follow the stream through our body, which is always there, but we're just going to follow it and bring our attention to it. We're going to notice our spirit lifting up and slightly loosening from our physical body. So as we follow this stream, and make it any color you wish, one color, two colors, multitude of colors, as it fills your head, notice you're getting lighter in your head and sort of pulling away, pulling in front of yourself slightly, coming down into your neck, and notice how your spirit starts to pull away slightly. We are not pulling ourselves out. We are not leaving our bodies. We are just loosening our spirit to be fully accepted. As we move into our shoulders, our arms, and our hands, notice the feeling as if they're drifting up or drifting out in front of you, into our trunk, the seat, our legs, our ankles, and our feet. As the energy continues to flow right at the bottom of our feet, we can feel our spirit is loose and relaxed in front of us, more open and susceptible. And just above our spirit, we notice a darker shadow. It's not darker because it's bad, it's just darker because that's how it appears to me. It may appear to you as very bright, or pink, or green. However it appears, there is a mass just above your spirit, around the head, and that is your mental body. And if you look close, it encompasses you and the spiritual body. And it's this body, this energy, we're going to gather and move and step back into that beautiful stream coming from the divine. Feel it pouring into your mental being and all the way through. And we ask that all the blocks I've placed be removed. Everything that I put there knowingly or unknowingly, willingly or unwillingly, I ask them to be removed so miracles may flow into my life. I turn my will over to the divine's will, where miracles are normal and second nature. Let us sit here and watch it move and clear and accept all these beautiful miracles coming to us on their own through the divine. As we pull ourselves together, allowing our spirit and our mental bodies to move back into the physical, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. I hope you guys felt it the way I felt it. Make sure you wiggle those toes and fingers and you're fully in your body before running out the door and jumping in the car to get to work. I'll see you all tomorrow. This has been fun. Please drop me a line, share it on the Facebook stream. I know it's only up for a day, but share it on YouTube. I'd love to hear some stories and let other people know this really is working, because I get lots of messages, but nobody puts them on the line. So go over to YouTube, share, so other people know this stuff really does help. Love you all. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.